Alright, we can try this video again. Mike didn't want to work on the last one, so here we are, about to rain. Gonna storm. We got a Facebook Marketplace addiction. Another Japanese model StarCraft SS. 16-foot boat. That'd be this one here has a little ooh-wee going on. Little crumpled beer can action. Got a 70 though. Look at that. Thunderbend background. About to get struck by lightning. It's okay. Look, you can really see that. That's ugly. Got this winch here. Still holding this transom together so the weight of this engine didn't pull this mess off. Going down the highway, causing some final destination for the vehicle behind me. And pretty big engine. Good windshield. Might hurt a little bit. Give you a concussion. But we got this one here for that windshield. Look at that. That's what we need. The other one didn't come with it. But for the grand total of $300, we got that windshield. Quite the theme I got going on here. Budget must be $300. Like I said, we're holding this disaster together. Yeah. Looking windshield though. By bring you a nice trailer. Like this other nice little Marketplace find. That wasn't $300. Was an old camping trailer though. Not locked up. Spin this guy. Spin that too. Later on, when we're not about to get rained on. Look at that train. The back of this here, they was moving across the yard. Engine down. And all the genius that they could possibly have. Drug that engine across the yard, pulled that transom apart. It was already rotten, you can see. It's just aluminum. What would one wonder would happen if you did something? If you ever wonder, we can show you here. You don't have to do it, someone else already did. Look at it. Probably bend that guy back. You know. Weld this here crack. Push all this back with some fresh wood on the inside. She may live again. But that's not why we're here. We're not worried about that. We got an engine. We will keep that running. May transfer it to the other boat. Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe just sell it. Get all of our money back. That's the star of the show right there. Windshield. Why is it the star of the show? Because we already know. We got this boat. No windshield. More Marketplace. And jackets in some kind of red. More the same. We're gonna snatch somebody around the lake on that. Won't be me, but somebody. If you got any volunteers, send them my way. I'll surely drag you around this lake. Yeah, see, we got a little bit more going on here. But windshield. It's gonna be on there pretty soon. I was gonna snatch it off that other boat today, but things didn't align that way quite yet. Now it's threatening rain. We'll get there. But I'm not in a hurry because I had a great idea that once I pull this off, we're gonna take this aluminum and paint it black. The black that I painted inside of that boat with. Maybe hit all that aluminum with that black. And the other thought was hit this with the metal polish. You know, aluminum will come close to chrome if you polish it. But I don't know. I pretty much deleted all the chrome off that boat. So black may be the way to go. Throw some tin up in that thing. And black her out a little bit. If you need a boat, I have a boat. I have several boats. I need to build some of these boats. All they're saying, I just buy them for these guys here. One behind the house, that's a bait. Pretty with that was $100. We can get our money back with the engine. Fix the thing. You know, I haven't even messed with it. It may run. We're gonna see if this one runs. If it runs decent, hey, we might do an engine swap again. And look at there we are. Got a golf club. Anybody know how to play golf? I do not. You want some golf clubs? They're free. Hit me up. I'm sure you could do something with that. Knock windows out. Hit mushrooms. Whatever. Chase dogs. It doesn't matter. You know. Don't hit the dog. I wouldn't recommend it. But you can chase them. Scare them a little bit. Car seat. You need a car seat? It's free. Get at me. Whatever this mess is, it was all free with the boat. I mean, would had rather not have it, but I have it. But we have this thing. Oh, it opens. Oh Lord. Look at that. It may not close. Oh, it closed. Ew. We got a little speedo. Didn't have that either. Should we install it? I don't know. I don't really think I need it. Steering is, I mean, the wheel turns. It's really about the storm. Yeah, the wheel turns. I mean, nothing happens, but it's good for a kid. I mean, they can hop in, turn the wheel. Nothing really happens. No harm, no foul. Would kind of make a good fishing boat. There's a big ass mosquito. I thought it was a fucking dinosaur. Look at that pterodactyl trying to carry me off. It was large. Look at this. Another boat. We're gonna do something with it. Not sure what, other than ride parts of it. But maybe a fishing boat. Yeah, push this back. Crinkle it. Might look like a Pepsi can, but you know. Whatever. Hook the wood up. I mean, we did the same with the other. This does have a wood floor. Seen better days. Or nights. Probably both. Yeah. Yeah, good fishing boat. It looked like the other boat. You know, take the windshield off. Center console, this guy. Trailer. Not too bad. Tires. Tired. Yeah. They retired before I did. And I was looking to retire soon. Look at this one. Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this windshield off in the next couple days. Really thinking about painting it. I really wanted to put it on another boat. But wouldn't it look so much better? That black trim. Look at that boat in there. Something. Here. $300. $300. Yeah. Whatever this thing is. Had to lay that under this tone, or it would got caught. You can't see it from the side. Each one of those rails there, clank, 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 clank. Impossible speed bump. It just go down there and get stuck. Then you have to lift it. Whatever remote for this, wireless. It's amazing. Yeah, that guy. Clank, 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 clank. Yeah, it's starting to rain. You need a boat. I got boats. You need hose? I don't got the hose. Get on my way. We're always looking for boats, not the hose. Anyway, let's get out of here. Start raining on my head.